Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Folding electric bicycles are becoming increasingly popular due to their convenience and portability. With the advancements in battery technology, these bikes are now more reliable and efficient. With a folding electric bicycle, you can easily take your bike anywhere without worrying about storage space or cumbersome transportation. Whether you're looking for a way to commute to work or explore new trails, a folding electric bicycle is perfect. Keep watching to look at some of the coolest folding electric bikes on the market today. Let's begin with the best for the price. Haybike Mars electric bike. The Haybike Mars electric bike offers an impressive top speed of 20 miles per hour and an incredible range of 48 miles on a single charge. Its modular 48V 12.5 Ah batteries, coupled with a 500W brushless geared motor, ensure a long lifespan and outstanding performance. The minor drawback is that the bike doesn't lock when folded, making it slightly tricky when lifting it into a car. This bike's real charm lies in its 4-inch fat tires and dual suspension, which transforms any ride into an adventure. The 7-speed and 3 riding modes allow you to customize your ride perfectly, while the dual disc brakes and lighting system prioritize your safety on the road. Moreover, it arrives pre-assembled, sparing you from complicated setup procedures. The integrated rear rack is perfect for attaching panniers, platforms, or baskets to carry your cargo on your next journey. And the next one is the best design. Ecotric electric bike. The Ecotric electric bike takes versatility to the next level with its ingenious shock suspension design, allowing easy folding without the hassle of removing the seat. Powered by a formidable 500W gear motor, this e-bike offers strong and efficient performance, ensuring you can reach your destination faster, all while reducing time spent on the road. This bike's 36V 12.5 Ah lithium battery offers a commendable travel range of 19 to 21 miles in pure electric mode and an impressive 33 to 36 miles in pedal mode. Moreover, the battery lock and power lock functions provide added security, and its removable feature allows you to charge it conveniently or avoid the risk of theft. The front and rear mechanical disc brakes ensure safety and peace of mind during your adventures. Its ergonomic aluminum alloy frame makes climbing inclines up to 30 degrees a breeze. Nevertheless, assembly might take a bit of time, but the overall experience makes it worthwhile. And the next one is the best powerful Anshir folding electric bike. The Anshir folding electric bike offers a seamless combination of power and convenience. Its 48V high-speed brushless motor propels you swiftly to your destination, making your daily commute a breeze. The removable 10Ah lithium battery can provide up to 30 miles per charge. Plus, charging is a breeze, whether on or off the frame. The robust aluminum folding frame of this e-bike also makes navigating thrilling mountain trails easier. Furthermore, the intelligent LCD display keeps you informed about your ride, displaying essential information such as battery life, distance traveled, and current speed. The only downside is that the instructions are not very clear for assembly. However, with a little patience and careful examination, you'll have it up and running in no time. In general, the Anshir folding electric bike is a fantastic choice for urban commuters and adventure enthusiasts alike. Still haven't found a coolest folding electric bicycle that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. And the next one is the best battery. EBKarosi electric bike. The EBKarosi electric bike has taken convenience to new heights. Its high-quality 400W motor effortlessly propels you to speeds of up to 20 miles per hour, making it a breeze to conquer even a 25% slope. The 48V 15Ah lithium battery ensures a day's worth of travel on a single charge, and its removable design adds extra practicality. The 4-shock absorption design incorporates various shock absorbers like the mid-mounted and hydraulic shock absorbers. Moreover, its high-carbon steel body guarantees durability and shock absorption, while the high-density sponge material in the seat ensures a fatigue-free ride. The thoughtful design extends to the adjustable seat and handlebar, providing a personalized riding experience for everyone. Nonetheless, it would be best if the pedals could be a bit sturdier. While they perform well under normal conditions, a little reinforcement could further enhance the riding experience for heavy-duty usage. And the next one is the best speed Vitalan V3 electric bicycle. The Vitalan V3 electric bicycle is designed for adventure seekers. Its 1000W peak power motor ensures a powerful ride, easily conquering challenging terrains. The 13.4 Ah lithium battery also offers an impressive range of up to 50 miles in assist mode and 30 miles in pure electric mode, allowing you to explore vast distances. The all-terrain fat tires and multiple shock absorption features provide exceptional stability and comfort during your rides. The 160mm mechanical disc brakes ensure quick and reliable stopping power, while the Shimano 7-speed gear enhances climbing ability, adapting to different terrains effortlessly. Its foldable design makes it perfect for tight spaces, whether you're in your apartment or the trunk of your car. The minor issue is that it may have a slight wobbling of the front wheel when reaching higher speeds, particularly around 20 miles per hour. Nonetheless, it doesn't significantly affect the overall performance or safety of the bike. And the next one is the best convenient Jason EB3 electric bike. This e-bike packs a punch with its 350W motor and 36V 7.5Ah battery, offering an impressive range of up to 20 miles on a single charge and a top speed of 21 miles per hour. It has a clear display screen that informs you of essential information like speed, miles covered, and battery life, ensuring you're always in the loop. Portability is a breeze with this electric bike's foldable design. Perfect for urban dwellers and frequent travelers, the compact size and foldable handlebar and pedals allow easy storage in small apartments, offices, or even the trunk of your car. Moreover, the integrated bright headlight and tail light with brake light indicator keep you visible, ensuring a safe riding experience even during low light conditions. Unfortunately, the seat may feel a little uncomfortable during extended rides. However, this can be easily remedied with additional cushioning or padded seat covers. And our winner today is Swagtron EB5 folding electric bike. It's the best overall on all coolest folding electric bicycles that we researched. The Swagtron EB5 folding electric bike is a game changer for urban commuters and adventure seekers. Its dual mode system allows you to effortlessly reach speeds of up to 15 miles per hour with the battery alone, or switch to pedal assist mode for a little extra boost as you pedal. However, finding a spare battery may be a bit hard, but it's not a big deal. This e-bike's premium build and eye-catching design are only the beginning. With a range of up to 15.5 miles on a single charge, you can confidently take on long journeys or easily conquer steep inclines thanks to its powerful performance. The height-adjustable seat and handlebar also ensure a comfortable riding experience, while the 14-inch air-filled tires provide stability on any road surface. Moreover, the pre-assembled bike saves you precious time, and the e-bike battery pack's compact size allows easy charging at your workplace. Okay, that's all for today, guys. If you guys enjoyed this, make sure to smash the like button to subscribe. And please tell us which products you would like us to review next in the comments section. And don't forget to check the description box for all the buy links of the products featured today. If you want to see more helpful tips, guides, and gear to enjoy the benefits of the great outdoors, all that great stuff, make sure to subscribe. Also, feel free to follow us on Twitter and Instagram and our Facebook page in the description as well. For anyone who's interested in camping, hiking, and outdoor activities, click like and follow us. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.